Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are going to want to see if this formula works because those of you guys that want your lips plumper and fuller, I was on TikTok the other day and I watched this tutorial. Actually not a tutorial, just a review from Michaela. If you guys don't know who she is, definitely go on TikTok, search up her name, and you will see that she makes amazing short tutorials and reviews on makeup. Now today what I'm going to be reviewing is the BUXOM. This is the Plump Shot Collagen Infused Lip Serum. So honestly guys, I don't usually use plumping lip serums, but again, I watched Michaela's review and I was like, oh my goodness, like I saw on TikTok, when you put this on, like your lips get so big, and I don't know, I'm going out today and I wanted to try it, so here we go. Alright, so guys, honestly, I have not taken this out of the box, so before I even take it out of the box, so this claims that our most advanced lip plumper is clinically shown to plump, increase volume, decrease lip lines, and 94% said that they saw instant results. So guys, I'm looking at the ingredients, and the beneficial oils that they have in here is jojoba seed oil and avocado oil, and japonica seed oil, which I have not heard before. But also you're going to see that it has peppermint oil, so I think that's what also gives you that tingling sensation. So guys, the last time I ever bought a BUXOM lip gloss was, man, I think it was like a few years ago, and honestly I don't even use that lip gloss, but you know what, let's get to the review. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks, and it just says, caution on the box, apply within the perimeter of the lips. You may experience a tingling sensation upon product application. If irritation occurs, discontinue use. So, alright guys, let's see how this lip plumper, if it actually works. Alright, so I'm going to just dip this one more time to get product on it. Okay, so this is how the applicator looks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on just my right side of my lips, the top and bottom, and let's see if this actually, if the lips actually get bigger. So it says make sure that you don't put it on your skin, just like the perimeter of the lips. So if you guys can tell from what I see already, my lips look whiter over here than here, because I actually feel it working. So you could smell the peppermint, but also, you know, at the end I'm going to see like how moisturized my lips look. So actually I'm going to apply just one more. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is definitely a different color. I'm getting that tingling feel. I'm smelling the peppermint. Whoa, I think it was that second application that I used. Okay, so this is the side that does not have any product on it. This is the side that has it. So I'm going to come back in 5 minutes and I'm going to show you the results. Okay, so I'm going to do a little close-up. Okay, if you guys can see, on this side, definitely you could tell. So this is the side that I put the BUXOM serum on. And if you can notice that you see fewer lines on my top lip and the bottom lip compared to the left side. Okay, so again, I don't have any product here. Wow. So, so it's only been 5 minutes, guys, but I'm gonna put it on the entire, like, both sides of my lips. So yes, you can definitely see that they do look fuller on the right side, but what I see the most is that it's my lines. So right here again, you guys can see that, you know, my lips are, you know, they're not small, they are plumped, but I always have a lot of lines here, and that's just because I don't have any moisturizer on my lips. I have no lip balm, I have no lip gloss. So from this product, because it has all those different oils in it, it definitely is filling in those lines. Wow. And of course, guys, the hyaluronic acid is also doing the trick as well. Okay, so again, one more time. This is without the serum, and this is with the serum. Okay, so I'm going to put on both sides, and then I will be right back. Okay, guys, this is like after 5 minutes. Okay, first of all, wow. My lips feel so moisturized. I love the color, because look, guys, this is clear, and just because it's giving that plumping effect, and it's working in the lips, this is great. Oh my god, look at this. Okay, first of all, here, wait, let me do a close-up. Okay, notice you don't see the lines anymore. Oh wow, this is perfect. Look at this, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, so we know that this works. I did 2 applications, so when I went off screen, I did the left side of my 2 lips, and then I actually went around both of the lips again on the left and right side, and this is what we come up with. Alright, so I'm not even going to put any lip balm, no lipstick on top of it, because I like the way how my regular lips, the color of it, they don't feel uncomfortable, like you can talk with it on. And again, guys, you guys know I love moisturizing my lips. This stuff works. I am in love with this. I don't know how, let me just see how much I paid for it. Let me see. So when I went on the Ulta website, this is only $25. You know what? It's I honestly thought it was going to be like $48. That's what I thought I paid for it. But guys, honestly, first of all, I love the packaging of this. And you guys know that it works. Look, here it is. So I think it's honestly worth $25. It was a good price. So it's 0.14 fluid ounce, but you do get a lot of this. You get a lot of this collagen infused lip serum in this product, in this container. So guys, definitely, I will definitely repurchase this again. And if anybody asks you what is the best lip plumping formula, for me right now, it's the BUXOM Plump Shot. Guys, really, it works. Seriously, I cannot stop looking at my lips. Alright guys, so listen up. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Like this for more videos. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, because again, from what I know, people always want those nice, full, juicy lips, and guys, this product is definitely going to give it to you. Alright guys, well, mwah. See how nice they look? Alright guys, bye.